The Ford Alpe was a concept car designed by Ghia, unveiled at the 1996 Turin Motor Show. The famous Italian bodybuilding firm Ghia, which has long collaborated with the European branch of Ford, has developed an unusual car for outdoor activities called Ghia Alpe, based on the units of the Escort model. We developed this car to show our latest ideas in the fast-growing segment of the four-wheel drive recreational vehicle market, says Ghia CEO Filippo Sapino. This is our vision for the future age, appealing to those who want a powerful and practical vehicle at a reasonable price. The car was designed by Marco Bianciotto, exterior, and Dario De Angelis, interior. Among the characteristic features of the exterior are the individual motorcycle fenders at each wheel, which are removed before cross-country rides. It is hard to say whether Alpe will ever be on the assembly line. One thing is certain, in the near future, bio-design will be replaced by the so-called geometric design, with flat panels, sharp corners, and surface transitions. This is exactly the style of the Ghia Alpe.